welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at this one, as many of you recognize. This is the Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. The kit number is 84316. Okay, today we're gonna look at the M chassis again. This time it's a MO5, a front wheel driven car. It's the Golf, the Mark 1, the first Golf, or Rabbit maybe they call it in the States. As you can see, this is front wheel driven. Kit number is 84316. You can see official Volkswagen product. And you can see this is from 2013 and it's made in the Philippines. Limited edition, they call it that, but they released it again in 2016. I don't remember the number, 4730, I don't remember. Okay, option part, better motor and aluminium parts and ball bearings. And the ball and a boring box, you see it's a standard box and they only put on a little sticker with the Golf, and then they put on other stickers for other M chassis, so it's not like the good old days. This is every time I've never read this. Okay, it's a foam or a sponge or something for the tires. And here you can open this plastic bag and look what's inside. It's not too interesting, but still looking at it. Yeah, this is for the dampers and the front bumper body post, and some holders for keeping the battery inside the chassis. Okay. I'm gonna build this in not too long. Okay, we can look at this part first and I'll tell you more. Okay, it's the steering knuckles and the uprights. I'm gonna build this, but I don't think I'm gonna make it box start like the Kamai livery is nice, but I want to try something different. I'm not sure yet. I have to think about it and check what kind of stickers I got in my drawer. Okay, here's some parts for the chassis and the damper towers, and for holding the gearbox. Okay, I could try to put this back in the plastic. That's always. Come on. Okay. Okay, more parts. Open this one too. Something for the steering and motor mount and battery cover, or for holding the battery inside. This one, yeah, and the hexes. I think I need some wider hexes because this one is really it has wide fenders, and the wheels are, yeah, they are not wide enough, so maybe need bigger hexes or other offset on the wheels. Okay, one more plastic bag. This is the main chassis, I think. Yeah, the main chassis and some other plastic parts for the chassis. This is, yeah, you know, under the chassis for keeping the suspension. Okay, try to put it back in the plastic. Still not easy. Okay, this is the speed controller, the ESC EU 105B. I don't remember, BL, BE, no, not BE. Okay, parts bag. Not too much interesting in there, but still more interesting than black plastic parts. Okay, 540 silver can. Some screws and some body clips. The gears. This is uses bevel gears, I think. You can see a bag A here, the bevel gears, and some grease. What's inside? It's something for drive shaft. So you can see it's brass bearings, not ball bearings. And some other things for the okay. Servo saver. Springs, short springs. This is bag B. Yeah, the usual stuff. Screws and bolts and nuts. It's not a complicated kit. This. Some white plastic bearings or bushings. Shaft for the rear wheels because they are not driven, only they're free rolling or whatever it's called. Okay, I never use this antenna. You can look at the manual. Yeah, I don't have to tell you much about this. You all seen this before. The gearbox, the suspension, and the steering, and the pinion gear, the damper, the springs, and this is not oil springs. This is only friction springs or whatever, dampers, friction dampers. Okay. Yeah, this is you see MO5 M or S. That's S is the short and medium, and L is the long version. I think this must be the short version because it's 210 millimeters. Okay, information about the radio. And here information about how to paint and cut and the body and things like that. I don't like. I think the front, because the front with the grill is in ABS, in hard plastic, I think that sticks out too long, so I think I'm gonna modify that a little and maybe only cut off the Lexan front and glue or try something so it looks better from the side, because it's too long in the front. It looks silly, so I have to do something there maybe, and then maybe I have to paint the body from outside, because with the double-sided tape or glue or something, I have to do something. Okay, here we have the stickers, the Kamai, and the window trim, and the numbers, and the rear lights, and the front lights, and the Volkswagen logo, and I look at the tires. It's what they call it, D60 or something. To put this back. How difficult can it be? I'm gonna build a car and I can't even put the tires in the plastic bag. Oh, little worried. Fuck it. Okay, and I'm for sure not gonna use these rims because I don't like them. Maybe if you paint them and detail them some, but doesn't fit the Golf. The Golfs need some other. I have some other really nice Japanese. I don't remember the name, but blade or stamp. Here you can see the ABS plastic grill. And you can see you have a driver and steering wheels and stuff. I don't know, maybe no mirrors. The grill is nice, but not the way it fits now, attached to the body now, because you only cut hole in the front of the Lexan and then you stick this one inside and then you have some screws to keep it in, but it looks, yeah, you can see if you put the grill here, it's too long for my taste, or for, so this is a really nice size, but maybe if you put on I don't know how many millimeters, but you can see then it's too long and it's really wide, so you have to do something with the width. Okay, that's all for today, guys. See you guys later. Bye bye.